Got the cat feds, and then I heard something going on out here. I don't see anybody. Ah, there we go. It's a black kitty. That's about the closest I've gotten to the black kitty there. Well, you guys, I don't have any control over you, so there's not much I can do about this situation. I suggest you, instead of trying to defend what is actually enough food for both of you, I suggest you retreat. If that is the first black kitty, the one with the collar, it's grown a lot. That is a big muscular male now.